not a JSAT offer. May I speak to the prosecutor, please?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, go ahead and go to room, let me move you to room 6, Mr. DeWalt.
My apologies.
Mr. Laird, talk to a bailiff and just have a seat till your lawyer comes back, okay?
Oh, have a seat right there, Mr.
Yeah, have a seat. We're not
I'll bring you
ready.
back. Okay, we're being live streamed.
That makes two of us. I don't know what's going on. But I'm sure we'll find out in a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a problem with the plea. That's why. Just give us a moment.
All righty.
Good morning, Mr. Vale.
Hey, good morning. I need to visit with Mr. Sandoval on a case. I don't have
Okay, moving you to room 6, Mr. Vale.
And Mr. Sandoval, can you hear me? Oh, you're moved. Never mind.
Sergeant is advising that you can disregard sending your status for cancellation to the courtroom. Once again, all units be advised, the sergeant is advising that you can disregard sending your status for cancellation to the courtroom.
All right, Mr. Is it Mark? Mr. Castro, did you get your offer? Oh, you're muted.
Old school. I got a JSAT offer and I talked to my client Friday about it and he was in agreement, but I need to talk with him again, if you don't mind. Just to
Okay,
make
got
sure.
it. Sure. Well, as soon as I get a breakout room available, Mr. Castro, I will move you. I'm moving you right now to room 7 to wait until I get a breakout room available for your client. So you can
Got
get
it.
your client in there. We only have 3 rooms. Okay.
Castillo. It's
Yes.
Castillo.
Okay. See, I'm sorry, Mr. Castillo. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I've been called
I've
worse.
known him forever. So
Really? Okay.
I've called him worse.
Oh, goodness.
Yes, he
Okay.
has.
From Houston.
Yes, she has. That's funny.
Thanks. All right. Bye.
Bye-bye.
We want. He's done.
Well, thank you. Appreciate you.
Because like we didn't have anything to Sunday or Monday.
Sure, I had my temper going.
There were. Friday. So Saturday we should have a sleepover with some of the cheerleaders. There was like 4 or 5 of them spend the night, so I had to go buy them pizza. And then April bought them something. And I was like, wait, I guess there's anything there that I would rather have that.
Yeah.
So they had bags and so then Sunday morning and we had stayed in drinking too. Like we're gonna be in our room, so they're in our room and all that. And when I go
Oh,
she's
it was packed still on Sunday. Nothing but fucking louder all over. What the- It's like,
like it's a thing. It's a thing.
what I do, and I swear, if there's a space from here to there, they made a line like this and said that. And then they start. Fucking quiet. Right in front of me.
It's gonna be another-
So we let them stay in front. No, Saturday. Saturday we let them stay. Like to live in one thing.
Hey, Terry?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so look, on my case, I have Mr. Miguel Mendoza. It's a 2008 DWI. I can't do anything other than I want a dismissal, so I need you to kick it back to County Court 9.
Okay.
That I don't believe they can get their witnesses and evidence. We don't have anything. It's 16 years old. I can't plead them out under those circumstances.
Okay. No worries, Mr. Bell. I will send this back. No agreement.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Talk to you next time.
See you then. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. All right, Eric, what's the verdict?
I need to talk to Mr. Laird first, but I believe this is gonna have to go back to County Court 12 also.
Okay. Hey, Leonard, can you guys put Mr. Laird back in 1 real quick? Take that guy out, put Laird in 1 so he can talk to
Okay.
his client. Laird in 1. Eric, I'm gonna put you in 1.
Thank you.
Because it was my day. So,
Got it.
Harry, they took my client away.
Yeah, I know, because Eric needs to talk to him real quick, and you were in 7. Sorry, you guys moved at the same time. So just give me a moment, Teresa. You're up next.
Can I talk to my other client in the meantime?
Which one?
Delgado.
Delgado. Yeah, you're gonna have to give me a moment. I don't have any rooms available, Teresa, but you are up next.
Martinez.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, in just a moment. I have all. Oh, that's Martinez. Are we doing
That's
a
my
plan on that?
client. That's my
Right.
client. The paperwork isn't finished.
Okay, got it. Go and tell him to have a seat, Leonard. We're not ready with Martinez yet.
Okay.
Shit, I would've been like, "Ooh, my sunglasses."
because tomorrow, I don't wanna wait.
All right, Mr. Vinton, you are you ready on Maciel now?
I am. I've already gone over the paperwork with him and the state
Yeah, Maciel.
the discovery acknowledgements.
Okay, got it. What cases are we going on? All 3?
No, only 733, 346, and 733, 348.
And then 4-7 is going to be TIC,
That's my
right?
understanding.
Okay,
correct.
got it. Okay, the ABI is going to be TIC. All right, Judge, did you get that?
Yep, got it.
All right, got it.
Okay, we're ready on Daniel Maciel.
Yes, sir. Maciel up to the camera.
Hello, Mr. Maciel. Raise your
Hello.
right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this call will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. All right, this is 7-3-3-3-4-6, 7-3-3-3-4-7, and 7-3-3-3-4-8. We have nobody. Who do we have for Mr. Maciel?
Shem Vinton for Mr. Maciel.
Okay, Mr. Vinton. We'll just get started before the state gets here. Mr. Maciel, you've been charged with 3 offenses, but they're going to dismiss your assault bodily injury case, which is 7-3-3-3-4-7, in exchange for your plea in the 2 criminal trespass and criminal mischief under 100. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
All right. Now, you're okay doing this by video conference, sir?
Yes.
Great. You're charged with the offenses of criminal trespass and criminal mischief. Both of those are Class B misdemeanors. You could have gotten anywhere up to a $2,000 fine, up to 180 days in jail. That's just the full range of punishment, sir. I understand you have the right to a jury trial, the right to cross-examine any witnesses, and the right to remain silent. Do you waive those rights?
Yes.
All right. And we have Orlando Sandoval here for the DA's office. Do you feel your client's mentally competent, Mr. Vinton?
Yes, I do, Judge.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
And how long have you represented him?
Since appointment, which would have been May 1st, 2024.
All right. Now, Mr. Maciel, I don't have to follow the plea bargain, but if I don't, I'll allow you to withdraw your plea. Nothing we've done could be held against you. If I go along with it, you won't be able to complain or appeal my decision. You understand that?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Then to the charge, first let's ask you in 4-6 to the charge of criminal trespass. Do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
And same in the criminal mischief case?
No contest.
I'm going to accept your pleas of no contest. State, is there an agreement?
Yes, Judge. It is for a $0 fine, court cost, 28 days, Better County, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. And if it pleases the court, the state asks the judgment be satisfied. The state is also going to the state is going to tender a dismissal on cause number 733347 for missing witness. And we'll be tendering that to you momentarily.
All right, Mr. Vinton, is that your understanding?
Yeah, Judge. And if I may clear up the record, I was appointed on May the 2nd.
Oh, okay, thank you. All right, Mr. Maciel, I'm going to follow the plea bargain. That means I accepted your plea of no contest. Going to find you guilty. Both cases, $0 fine, 28 days. Credit for all the time you've served, time and money run concurrent. The cases run concurrent, and therefore your judgment is satisfied, sir. If you don't have any other holds, you may be released today or tomorrow, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
The answer's not there.
Norman, be excused.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Tony, you're saying you have problems with your paperwork, Tony?
Yeah, on his end, he signed everything. Godwin has signed everything. It just won't send. And the bailiff, the bailiff looked at it. So,
Okay. Can someone help room 3, Tony Hernandez's person, to make sure that everything is signed?
It's already done.
It's already done? All right. Then that's the next plea on Carmona. You ready, Tony?
we're ready. Did it send?
Okay.
Hey, Tony, it was too far down, so I couldn't see the blue dot. We took care of it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Judge should have Carmona. Do you see it, Judge?
Hold on, I'm filling out
Oh, okay.
that last one.
Where's that paperwork?
Yes, I've got it.
All right. We're ready for Carmona.
Mr. Carmona, raise your right hand.
Don't be touching the courtroom.
You solemnly swear or affirm to testify the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can lower your hand. Who do we have for the state?
Orlando Sandoval for the state of Texas.
And for Mr. Carmona?
Tony Hernandez on behalf of Mr. Carmona.
Okay, Mr. Carmona, you were charged with the offense of DWI, or you were charged with the offense of DWI, sorry. Are you the same person that was charged with that?
Yes, ma'am.
In the past? Yes, okay. Now they're saying you violated your probation in a couple of ways. What are you going forward on?
What do you mean, what am I going forward on?
What number?
Judge, we'd like to plead to either number 14 or 15 or 16.
1 second, Judge. I am pulling up that paperwork and
I don't know what that
yeah,
means.
we'll go on 14. So on or about the 31st day of January 2024 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Jaden Carmona did then and there fail to register or attend an alcohol evaluation with the approved agency in violation of condition number 14.
All right, is that true or not true?
Ma'am, I never missed a report date on my probation.
Okay, let's go on another one. Let's go on a different one.
It's failing to register, Jaden, not to report.
Oh, okay. This is true.
What number is that? He's pled true.
14, Judge.
Thank you. I'll accept your plea of true. I'll find it true. What's the agreement, Mr. Sandoval?
Judge, we're asking for time served. He has 62 days in jail.
62?
Yes, so it is for a $0 fine, court costs, 62 days Bexar County, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, the state asks the judgment be satisfied.
All right, then Mr. Carmona, I'm gonna do that. $0 fine, 62 days in jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. If you have no other holds, you should be released today or tomorrow. I wish you the best. Good luck.
Anything else?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you, Mr. Hernandez. You're free to go.
Thank you, Judge. Take care.
Anything else?
All right, Mr. DeWalt, what's the verdict this time? What's going on?
Did you get my chat? My client would like to request probation paperwork.
Okay, so we're doing, okay, then I'm just gonna send you, no, I didn't get your chat, but I will send you, well, it's just regular plea paperwork, not unless, what is it that you need on there? You need the
request for probation, because I put no application.
do we have to do new paperwork, Corrine, or can you check that off for him? Is that possible?
I'm sorry, Mr. Could you say that one more time? For which one?
On Clarence Laird, he wants to, he didn't check off the probation paperwork that he wanted, deferred or
We thought it was a judgment stat offer, and now he would like to ask for probation.
Okay, so the application just needs to be filled out. That's fine. I can check off whatever needs to be checked off.
Is that fine, Judge? Can we go that way, or you want him to?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, then we're ready on Clarence Laird.
Yes, Teresa, what do you need before I start?
Oh, I was just gonna say I was ready whenever y'all were.
Okay.
We were putting your other client, Michael Delgado, in 3 and in 2.
Oh, I haven't been taking, if you can send me to 3, I'll be great.
No, it's in room 2. Go back to 2.
All right.
2?
There you go.
Okay.
We need Mr. Laird.
Who, Judge?
Laird.
Laird? Come here. What do you want to one, Terry?
Sean Sheffield's client, which is going to be Noe Guerrero, in 1.
Going on?
Yes, Mr. Laird. Okay. Mr. Laird was previously sworn, so this is 734034, State of Texas versus Clarence Laird. Who do we have for the state?
Orlando Sandoval for the state of Texas.
For Mr. Laird?
And Eric DeWalt, and I represent Mr. Laird, and we were up here before with what I thought was a judgment satisfied offer. I talked to my client, Mr. Laird, and he wanted to go forward and request probation.
All right. All right, Mr. Laird, we can do that. So you understand you're charged with the offense of criminal trespass. That's a Class B misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $2,000 fine, up to 180 days in jail. Do you understand the full range of punishment? Mr. Laird, do you understand that full range of punishment?
Yes, I understand what y'all are saying is a full range of punishment.
Okay, thank you, sir. All right. Is your client mentally competent?
I believe he is, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you with the preparation of any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
All right, and y'all are both waiving the right to a jury trial, correct?
It's his request to waive a jury trial, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Laird, are you a U.S. citizen?
I am a U.S. citizen.
Great. All right, then to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I'm not guilty, but I can't move forward with that plea. So I'm going to no contest.
I got you. No contest. That means you're not contesting your guilt because of the evidence. However, you're not saying you're guilty, right?
I know what I'm not.
Okay. All right. I'm going to accept his plea of no contest. And Is there an agreement, Mr. Sandoval, for probation?
There is, Your Honor. It is for a $0 fine, sorry, $200 fine, court costs, 180 days Bear County probated for 12 months, community supervision, a TAP evaluation to follow all recommendations, a no contact order with Angelique Crawford, and restitution in the amount of $180.
To Angelique?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And Mr. DeWalt, is that your agreement?
Your Honor, just for the record, yes, that is the agreement the state put out there. I did talk to my client about possible trial, his option to go to trial. We talked extensively about that. He told me he wants to go forward today with this plea. There was a upfront restitution of 180 for a judgment sat offer. I know this is all about money. I would request the fine at least be probated. He's been in jail for, I believe, 28 days or quite some time.
Does he want a judgment satisfied offer?
He would love one, Your Honor.
Yes, that's what I was requesting, and I was being railroaded on a Class B misdemeanor.
All right,
And
Mr. Laird, I'm gonna give you your judgment set. So $0 fine, 19 days, credit for time served, time and money during concurrent. Your judgment is satisfied, sir, okay?
Thank you.
You're
Mr.
welcome.
Laird, one more time, say thank you to the judge. Judge, thank you for your consideration.
It's no problem.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Laird, good luck to
I
you.
appreciate it.
Go ahead, see what
All right, Mr. Castillo. Thank you, Eric.
Everybody, thank you.
Satisfied his judgment, dude.
State, Teresa, and Judge, thank you.
Teresa,
Yes, sir.
I sent all the paperwork to your email.
Okay, did your client sign the paperwork up on the computer when he was there?
No,
Harry, you can't sign anything because the paperwork's not there.
the paperwork's
Okay.
not there.
Okay, but you said you did your paperwork, right, Mr. Castillo?
Yeah, Saturday, and I sent it to you, my portion of it.
Yeah, it doesn't come to me. It goes to the jail, but I have it here on my computer system here that I just sent you a reminder at the top of your email. Do you see that?
No.
It's, do you see that now?
Oh, and by the way, Alex, for Mr. Laird, you're welcome.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you. I was doing the paperwork.
He couldn't have made it.
No grumbling from probation.
We're on Zoom, so I'll stay quiet. That was just a recommendation.
I know, Mr. Sandoval.
We're not killing the messenger. We're not killing the
But
messenger.
you're sent with. You're okay.
Mr. Castillo, you see that reminder I sent you?
See, I'm horrible at this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lord. It's a good thing that I know him. I would be very worried.
I really do my damn thing with. Sorry, guys.
Well, if need be, I can reset it and redo the paperwork and send it again.
I've got a bunch of work this morning. Grabbing the cards, so I took off. Like, I'll be back.
Let's try to get it done.
Back and look up.
Yeah, it's the paperwork. It's, do you see my reminder at the top of your email? I sent it to, it looks like it says MAC4 legal.
Law.
Do you see that, Mr. Castillo?
The last email I got was the Zoom link.
Do you have a problem?
Intervention?
That's not an intervention. No, intervention is, look, you have a problem. I'm talking about group therapy. Group therapy. I didn't throw your cup away.
Oh, okay.
You're the one that just admitted this.
You do it against the wall.
I didn't throw it against the wall.
Two birds is high like this.
You see those hips? You can't throw those hips. Anybody find the paperwork yet?
I think he's trying to fill it out. I'm not sure.
right.
I guess I'll have to refill it out then.
Yeah.
Let me go back to your email where I.
Is that the right email though? MAC for
yeah.
legal? Yeah,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And I filled it out and I just sent it to your email. I didn't know there was a special email to send it to. I tried, but.
Well, all you do is fill it out and just hit send and it goes straight to the jail. You don't have to send it to any email. It automatically does it for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me find it.
Okay. Okay.
Review and sign. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I did the one in Spanish because he only speaks Spanish.
Correct. It's paperwork in Spanish. Yes, sir. He's got an immigration hold.
Forget the probation. We're not doing probation. Okay, here it is. It's all here. It's all done. Yeah, it's still all here. Now I'm looking for the send thing here on my iPad, and I don't see where it says send.
Well, you have to fill out all the paperwork and then it'll hit send. It'll automatically generate at the bottom of the page.
Do I have to fill out the English one also, or just the
Yes,
Spanish?
yes, everything.
Got
Yeah,
it.
everything.
Let me
Yes, sir.
finish. Let me do that one.
Because we need the English one. Yeah.
Okay, we're good.
All right.
One second, Teresa. I got both your cases.
Okay, thank you.
Let me call for that interpreter again,
So
Judge.
one's a Spanish speaker, one is not.
Okay. I'll tell him to start. I already told him to log. Yeah. Okay, so Teresa, on Michael Delgado, we're not going on that case, right? He's got felony
Oh
pending,
no,
right?
we changed it because Alex
So,
needs.
I was trying to get you to confer with the state and he's choosing not to do that, Teresa, sorry.
Oh, he's choosing not to do it?
Right, because of the felony.
We're choosing not to do what? Amend it?
Supplement it, yes.
Well, I mean, well, let's,
You wanted to continue him?
no, I wanted to
Oh.
revoke him and do the judgment SAT and you get the conviction that you need. Because he was the one with 53 days.
Yeah,
And then we had talked and you said judgment SAT.
yeah. Well, remember, there's only one allegation, which is the felony controlled substance. That's
Right,
alleged.
and I said I couldn't do it, so we can have a contested hearing if you want, or we can just supplement it. He completed the supplemental failure to report, and we go on with our lives.
Yeah. All right, Alex, you have the amended?
No, I didn't do it because you didn't, but I'll supplement it and I'll send it to you. You have to sign it, but the clerk has to file it. If everyone's okay with that, or do y'all want to reset one day? I don't know, whatever y'all want to do, I'll do it.
Teresa?
I don't mind. I just would like to get him out only because he's going to sit there for that felony, and at least in a few months he might be able to come up with a bond for the felony.
All right. Okay, so you want to, does it need to be reset? Can it not be done today? Or we're going on both cases?
Let me do the paper. I can do it real quick.
Okay, is that okay, Teresa? You want to get this done today?
Yeah, I mean, it's fine to do today. I'm just gonna like change to my phone and keep moving, but I can do all of it because I'm the attorney of the day today anyway.
Yeah,
So
she
I'm
is.
here to the end, but
Okay.
I'm here still at my house. But after this, I was gonna head over to the court, but I'm taking my phone and I can just continue being on Zoom.
Okay, Teresa, are you ready on Julian Martinez?
Yes, I am ready. I'm ready on both, Judge, once they're ready.
Well, I've got Julian Martinez in
Okay.
front of me. All right, 733-405. I see you, Alex. Martinez.
Okay, I think we're gonna need the interpretation on there, right? Correct?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Positive.
So you know, okay.
He's here. Oh, I need to do the button. Hold on, I'm doing the button.
All right, got it.
I heard they moved away from down south.
All right.
See?
Raise your
Buenos
right
dias.
hand. Buenos dias. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you will give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help you God.
Sí, señor.
Okay, you can put your hand down.
Mhm.
Who do we have for the state?
Orlando Sandoval for the state of Texas.
And for Mr. Martinez?
Teresa Garcia for the defendant.
Okay, Mr. Martinez, looks like you were charged with the offense of criminal trespass. That is a Class B misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $2,000 fine, up to 180 days in jail. That is the full range of punishment, not what you're getting. I understand you're waiving your right to a jury trial, your right to remain silent, and you want to go forward today. Is that correct?
Sí.
All right. Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
No.
You done go over there?
Did your attorney talk to you about your immigration rights?
Claro que sí.
And even knowing all the everything that she talked to you about, you still want to go forward today?
Claro que sí.
Okay, Ms. Garcia, you talked to him about his immigration rights?
I did, Judge, and he
And you felt-
understood.
Okay, and you feel he's mentally competent?
Yes.
All right, then.
Okay.
Mr. Martinez, to the charge of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty? Not guilty? No contest.
Culpable.
Right, I will accept your plea of guilty, sir. I will find you guilty. What's the agreement?
Yes, Judge, it's for a $0 fine, court costs, 27 days, Bear County, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, we ask the judgment be satisfied.
And Ms. Garcia, that's your understanding? Okay, I guess that's Ms. Garcia's understanding. Is that your understanding? Mr.
Yes, it
Martin?
is my understanding. I'm sorry, Judge. I put it on mute.
That's okay.
Because my,
Mr. Martinez, is that your understanding?
See?
Okay, then I will go follow your plea bargain, $0 fine, 27 days, credit for time served. This judgment is satisfied, sir. Now, I know you have a hold on you, but you are free now to take care of your other business. All right, sir?
Claro que sí.
Good luck, and you don't have a right to an appeal. Bye-bye. Thank you, Ms. Garcia. I know you got one more.
yes, just Judge, I have one more. And before we started, did we decide to do it today?
It's just a matter of the probation getting us the paperwork, right, and the clerk signing off on it.
Yes, I'm gonna send it to you right now, Orlando, through Adobe, and the clerk has been made the I'm gonna make the clerk the approver.
Okay. And then,
I'm doing it right
I'll be
now.
on Zoom.
Okay.
And then anyway, because I am the attorney of the day, so I'm on Zoom anyway.
Okay, thank
All right.
you.
Thank you, guys.
Brenda, do you have an offer in your case, Brenda?
I do.
Okay, got it. Bailiffs, can I have,
Give it two.
David Wright in two, got it. I'm moving you to two, Brenda.
David Wright.
Okay, Mr. Sheffield,
Yes,
you ready on Noe Guerrero?
we are.
Got it.
Right. Noe Guerrero.
No. No.
Good morning, Judge, and I apologize on the paperwork. For some reason, it's showing it as now instead of Noe. I think it auto-corrected, and I apologize, Judge.
Oh, okay.
I didn't catch that till after we were filling out the paperwork.
Okay, well, I think that
But
Karen
he
can
signed
do
it.
that
He
for
signed it
us.
right.
Okay, Karen can change that for us.
Thank you. Judge.
All right, Mr. Guerrero, raise your right hand.
Yes, ma'am.
You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in both these cases will be true, will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can lower your hand. This is 733-267 and 660-452. I'm gonna start with the theft case, the 267 case. You've been charged with the offense of theft, $750 to $2,500. That's a Class A misdemeanor. You could have gotten up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in jail. That's just the full range of punishment. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. You understand you have a right to a jury trial, the right to cross-examine witnesses, the right to remain silent. Looks to me by looking at this paperwork, you want to waive your right to a jury trial. Is that correct? Satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Mr. Sheffield, are you satisfied your client's mentally competent?
I am, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Guerrero, to the charge of theft as a Class A misdemeanor. Are you entering a plea of guilty, not guilty, no contest?
No contest.
Going to accept your plea of no contest and find you guilty. State, what's the agreement?
Yes, Judge, it's for a $0 fine, court costs, 29 days, Bear County, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and if the court is satisfied, we ask the judgment be satisfied.
All right, thank you. Mr. Sheffield, that's your agreement with your client?
It is, Your Honor.
All right. Then I'm going to follow that plea bargain, $0 fine, 29 days in the Bear County Jail, credit for time served. Time running, the case is running concurrent with 660-452, and I will find that judgment is satisfied. Now, on your indecent assault case, what number are you going forward on, Mr. Sandoval?
Violation number
Number what?
Number one,
Okay, can you go ahead and read that?
yes, on or about the 29th day of April, 2024, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Noe Alejandro Guerrero, committed the offense of theft in violation of condition number 1.
And you said that was true, sir?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna accept your plea of true. I'm gonna find it true. What's the agreement in that case?
For a $0 fine, court costs, 32 days, Bexar County, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, the state asks that judgment be satisfied.
Mr. Sheffield?
That was our agreement, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Guerrero, I'm gonna follow that plea bargain as well. So that judgment's satisfied, running concurrent with your other case. You're finished now with your misdemeanors, so your transfer to TDC can start the process. Okay, sir?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Good luck to you,
Thank you,
and
Judge.
you don't have a right to an appeal. You're welcome.
Y'all take care. Thanks.
Bye,
Thank
Mr. Sheffield.
Bye. Mr. Castillo, do you know how to move yourself back to room 3 for your client to sign? I sent the reminder to the jail. I'm gonna move you to room 4. And
Okay,
then I'll move you back to 3. That's where your client
Okay.
is in 3. All right,
Okay,
just move
thank you.
yourself to 4 and then I'll move you to 3.
All right, Michael Delgado, please.
Harry?
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
Brenda. Over at the jail, they are having trouble finding the email with David Wright's name in it.
Okay, I'll send a reminder to the jail. Go ahead and go back to room 2 with your client and I'll send a reminder.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Garcia, does Mr. Delgado need an interpreter?
No, he does not.
Okay. Mr. Delgado, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You can lower your hand. We have Orlando Sandoval for the state, Teresa Garcia for Mr. Delgado. Mr. Delgado, you're here today for 2 MTRs, 729980, 729981. The first one's an assault bodily injury, and the second one's a criminal mischief. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to have a hearing in both cases in front of the court. State could bring in witnesses. Your attorney could ask questions of those witnesses. It's my understanding by looking at this paperwork, you don't want to have a hearing. You want me to go along with the plea bargain that your attorney's worked out with the state. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you satisfied your client's mentally competent, Ms. Garcia?
Yes,
He's been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses.
yes.
You represented him more than 10 days, correct?
No, Judge, I was just appointed, but we waived the 10-day requirement.
All right. And Mr. Delgado, is that okay with you to waive that requirement of 10 days?
Yes, ma'am.
You a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
All right, perfect. Mr. Sandoval, what number do you want to go forward with? Are they both the same numbers on both cases?
Yes, it's a violation of condition number 4. In Bexar County, Texas, defendant Michael Anthony Delgado did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the month of April 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
Is that true, Mr. Delgado, on both cases?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to accept your plea of true. I'm going to find it true. Mr. Sandoval, what's the agreement?
It's for a $0 fine, court costs, 53 days, Bexar County, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, the state asks that judgment be satisfied.
All right, Mr. Delgado, I'm going to go along with that plea bargain that your attorney worked out. Oh, I guess I should ask you, you said you plead true to number 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm going to find it true, sentence you to $0 fine, court cost, money and time to run concurrent, 53 days in jail. Credit for time served in both cases will run together. Your judgments are satisfied, sir. I don't think you have any other holds, so you should be released sometime today or tomorrow, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, he does have another hold. He's got a felony, but now he can at least bond out for that.
Okay, okay, sir. So just take care of your felony now, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Judge, may I be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. Jerry, for
Yes.
the bonds, can you guys text me when you're ready
Sure.
or are you
I'll text you. I'll text you, dear. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Bye-bye.
I'll be on.
Corinne, did you get that supplement to that MTR?
Yes, I did.
Okay, good. All right. Thank you.
What's this sheet from? You find his page or you take it?
Oh.
Since they haven't gone.
Oh.
I was like, hey, you know, what's that do that?
Yeah, she was the pizza showing just for the office. She just for the.
Yeah.
Hello?
They did do the.
Say something about.
Yeah.
Mr. Castillo, you ready?
He
We got
made
it.
the paper made it.
All right.
Yay. First time.
Time for everything.
I'm an old dog, but I'll learn. I'll learn.
Give me 1 second and I'll do it. I'm
Thank you,
finishing up,
Judge.
finishing up some notes.
Hi, Angelise.
Hi, I hope y'all had a great Memorial Day weekend.
It was nice. It was kind of peaceful, restful. Carol's been working really, really hard. Bunch of murders, one right after another.
Sit right there. You're walking around. Sit right there. You're walking around like you lost your best friend. Hey, Mark Martinez is friends with Wendell Busby. Huh? Mark's friends with Wendell Busby. So am I too.
Yeah.
It's easy once you learn how to do it.
He's a girl. No, he's still a guy. I don't know about dogs. I think girl.
Judge, we're waiting on Ricardo Canales, the last immigration case on the docket.
Okay, hold on 1 second. I'm doing some paperwork. All right. Ricardo Canales, please. We're ready for Canales. Hello, Mr. Canales.
Hi.
Raise your right hand for me. Solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Mr. Canales? Oh, do you need a translator?
We need an interpreter.
All right, she's here. Can you change the computer to Spanish, please?
Sí, escucho.
Talk to a bailiff. Tell him, digo. Oh, okay. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you will give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Sí.
Okay, you can lower your hand. We have Orlando Sandoval for the state. We have Mark Castillo for Mr. Canales. This is 733065. An assault bodily injury. That's what you're charged with, sir. The full range of punishments up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in jail. That's just the full range of punishment. You have the right to a jury trial, the right to cross-examine witnesses, the right to remain silent. It looks to me like you want to waive those rights in order to me to go along with your plea that you have, that your attorney worked out. Is that right?
Sí.
Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Sí.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
Did your attorney go over your immigration rights with you?
Sí.
And knowing then the ways that he talked to you that it could affect your immigration status, you still want to go forward today. Is that correct?
Sí.
All right, Mr. Castillo, you went over the immigration rights with your client
I did, Your Honor.
and he still
On
wants to
Friday.
go forward today.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you feel he's mentally competent?
Yes, he is, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Mr. Canales, to the charge of assault causing bodily injury, do you plead guilty? Not guilty, no contest.
Pablo.
I will accept your plea of guilty, find you guilty. What is the agreement?
Yes, Judge. It's for a $0 fine, court costs, 32 days Bear County, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. And if it pleases the court, the state asks that judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding, Mr. Castillo?
It is, Your Honor.
All right, then, Mr. Canales, I'm gonna follow the plea bargain. So that's that was a $0 fine, 32 days in jail, credit for time served. Your judgment is satisfied, sir. You have a hold, but you're free to go ahead. You're free to finish what you've started. Okay, sir? All right, Canales, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Castillo. You're free to go.
Thank you. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Thanks for y'all's help.
Hold on. Take him back, Gil.
Where you going? Hey, when you two fuckers come in early, on time, and you get some
Waiting for the last one, Judge. Bring the Livingston. That's it.
a whole day, then you tell me something.
Oh.
All right.
You can't tell each other nothing, because you're asleep half the day.
Hey, but I'm working in my head.
You can let the interpreter go, Judge. That was the last thing on the immigration docket, Judge.
Thank you, Arlene. You too. See you tomorrow. Bye.
I told him, she took her, but he was saying she was being restricted, he didn't wanna run it off.
Hey, Terry,
Yes, sir.
does Brenda have his paperwork? Because I looked it up and I couldn't find it.
No, she didn't. She had to fill it out.
So why is she telling me to pick it up?
Oh, well, maybe she finished.
She didn't. It's still not there.
It's still not there. Let me see where it is.
You put those $7 back on. You go get ice cream.
Okay, Alex, I sent you the reminder to the jail.
All right.
Oh, anyway, what time was it roughly? You know where the jail is at? The jail? If you come down. Anyway, what type of police do it? I see. I don't want to talk to her. So I give her shit. I see what's going on. I see another guy. It's killed. Next thing you know, you see a little hip hop. No, as much this. All true when we went down to the coast. So I see the sea fair special. They were on that shrimp. Two big sharks, or two whales on the shrimp. Two whales. Like out there.
Hey. Hey.
I want to know who threw away Alex's cup with that salt that paper.
I just told you, he puts more salt in it.
He didn't, but he doesn't believe.
No, I threw it in the trash. It was
I
on
know
the
you
floor.
did, but you probably dropped
How do you know I dropped it?
it. I know.
Because you're the only one here.
Yeah, I have to agree with you on that. Those keys were left right there.
The keys were in his desk.
Roger, you need to give him that pill.
Hey, did you get the yellow key too? Did you get the yellow key or you just got the red one?
I just got that key.
God damn it.
Why don't you get the yellow key?
Because they gotta clean that there.
That's not my problem. They can go to the key watch and get the damn key.
Why don't you tell your little girl that she has the invaders?
Oh, she doesn't have to do that.
Okay, judgments are caught up. Got David Wright.
Judge, you talking to us or?
I was talking to Terry.
Oh, okay.
I like that red Honda outside. Red Honda, is that hers?
Okay, you know what? I still don't have the question answered. So do we park there? Or do we
Yes,
not
you
park?
park there. We don't want to park there. How did we get so many cones? There's only 4. All of a sudden, there's gonna be 7 of us. What are they gonna
First
say?
of all, the other 3 don't matter.
Sergeant Johnson was like trying to figure out. And then, Sarge called real quick. Since I got
Terry, while we're waiting, what happened
Yes,
on our
Judge.
number 1 case on our misdemeanor 48-hour bond docket? Martin Parga.
Parga looks like it was rescheduled, Judge, 37
Who's offended? Who?
Javon. Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's your fault. That's what happens when you take off.
To work. What?
She's gonna get
Can you
pregnant.
trust me?
Poor Ruth. When she was in that brawl.
She's baby.
She's a young baby. When she got in that brawl, all you see was feet in the air. She thought it would have came back.
Who's this? Hey. Congratulations, I guess.
She thought it was the Mexican mafia party.
You got a cool? You got a quarter?
Yeah, I saw it too.
So you can stay there, what's the deal?
She got tripped up. She actually fell. And you see her like.
Sergeant, you guys are cool. They do. That's cool.
She got in it. She got in it.
She was in it 2 minutes.
We're getting Ruth Phil back to life.
That's what you want to do.
Where's your mom? When I get your mom.
Probably next 3 weeks.
She used to work in transport. She quit and she came back. Oh. Well, Ruth is not
But
that.
you can't be wishy-washy, you gotta let me know.
We're gonna get out.
Okay. Well, think about it, call you back.
I'll be there.
You know what you're losing more with, because that must have been walking to jail twice.
That's it. No, I
Yeah.
So you go with 3?
I see it on division. When I'm driving, I'm like this.
Well, now, see, now that he works at home, sometimes the trucks take longer, so he's been finding the trucks. And he's building. Just sit. No, we gotta do that. Never mind that.
I thought your hair was running.
Good, I didn't run in the kid. I think we got this. The name is Mr. Smith.
What's the pay?
Mr. Sims, what we have access.
Yeah.
And Brandon Smith.
Hey, what's up? Good day, what's up? Security guard? You're still there?
So then the guys all lost in front of the thing. Alex says, guys, lost, he said he's working with them. No, don't help him. When you guys do, like I said, oh, it doesn't matter.
Did you get a guy once? I thought he goes away. Go here, 3 goes away. Go here. Go away.
You can throw your gloves away right there.
Oh, okay.
The trash can right outside the door. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Are you Mr. Wright?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Raise your right hand for me, sir. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you'll give in this call to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. You can lower your hand. We have Orlando Sandoval for the state. We have Brenda Levenstein for Mr. Wright. 734-206. State of Texas versus David Wright. Mr. Wright, you've been charged with the offense of criminal trespass. That is a Class B misdemeanor. Could have gotten up to a $2,000 fine, up to 180 days in jail. That's just the full range of punishment. That's not what you're getting. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Do you understand you have a right to a jury trial, the right to cross-examine witnesses, and the right to remain silent? But it looks like you're waiving those rights in order to get the plea today. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are you satisfied with your attorney's advice?
Yes, ma'am.
A citizen, sir.
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Levenstein, do you feel your client's mentally competent?
I do.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any defenses?
He has.
How long have you represented this gentleman?
Longer than 10 days.
All right. Then, Mr. Wright, to the charge of criminal trespass, are you pleading guilty, not guilty, or no contest, sir?
No contents.
I'm going to accept your plea of no contest. I am going to find you guilty. And I'll ask the state, what is the agreement?
Yes, Judge. It's for a $0 fine, court cost, 17 days Bear County, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, the state asks the judgment be satisfied.
All right, Mr. Wright, do you want me to follow that agreement? Yes? All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Okay, then I'm gonna find, it's gonna be a $0 fine. 17 days in the Bear County Jail, credit for all the time you've served, time and money to run concurrent. That's judgment is satisfied. If you have no other holds, you should be released sometime today or tomorrow. Thank you, Ms. Levinstein. Thank you, Mr. Wright. Y'all are excused.
Okay.
And Ms. Alberti and Ms. Rivera, y'all are excused.
Thank you so much, Judge.
Thank you. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Send the email to 1.5.
Real creep, Kareem.
Yeah, for the prisoners for tomorrow.
All right.
Yes.
Y'all just tell me what numbers you're, let me get off YouTube.